Boy, I tell you what, get back over here. We're out. Show you what I've been up to for a while. I've been looking a lot of gravel, but I've had enough of looking at this. Why don't we see if we can't catch a fish? Maybe have better luck at that. You probably can't see them very good, but there are a few Missouri night crawlers in there, some red worms, small Aberdeen hook, so running weight on it, barrel weight with split shot. Well, let's see if we can't get a sunfish out of Sunfish River. This isn't really Sunfish River. This is the Burbus, but that's all I seem to be catching out of this river these days. Last couple times I've been out fishing, venturing, whatever. All right. We did get a bite on our night crawler slung down way down the middle of the river. We're going to sling down another one, not quite so far. 30 years ago I used to dig these and sell these. Late August, about Labor Day, I'd get 25 cents a piece, $25 a 100. I'd be lucky to have 200 or 300 by that time of the year. They're hard to get late in summer. Dug a many of them. Burbus, Big River, Merrimack, Missouri River. Dug them and sold them. Sold a lot of them nickel a piece way back when. 8,000-10,000 at a time. Didn't get skunked. Sunfish. Well, been early in the fishing trip, I'd cut him up, put him on for cut bait. Since nothing seems to be biting very well, we'll just let him go. Thanks for playing, buddy. See if we can't get a couple more. You guessed it. What is this? This one appears to be a bluegill. Well, I'd have two little ones to eat if I felt like cooking them up. But there's no sense killing them. Maybe we'll get lucky and be blessed by catching another one. Look at that. Probably a little spotted bass chasing a minnow. There used to be a lot of smallmouth in this river. You come down and float it with a pig or jig. I like the same minnows and use shiners. You catch, I'm not going to kid you a bit, 80 to 100 smallmouth a day. Goggle eye, that's a bite. Green sunfish. I haven't caught smallmouth out of the Burbus 25 years. I ain't lying to you. Caught some spots. Bite there. I captured on video. And we got him. Oh, it's a little bigger one here. A little bigger one here. We have a stone perch drum. Well, I tell you what, get back over here. No, we don't. Yes, we do. Sorry about the camera. There's a nice eater, but he swallowed it down to his blink. I was hoping to catch some of these. Usually they're quite plentiful in this Burbus River. Another sunfish species. I've been packing that measuring tape. I figured I'd measure something. Look, see, almost 12 inches. Still a good eater. I'm going to turn him loose. I burnt the line. Let him have the hook. It'll rust out. I'm just giving him a good toss out there. Thanks for playing. I don't know if he's seen, but he's going. Thanks for playing, buddy.